Hello, education friends. So this year, many of you will be doing open houses virtually. To do that, you're going to need to put your video on your teacher website. Navigate to your school web page. Usually on the top right-hand corner, there's going to be a sign in option. Click. Enter your username, password, and once again, click sign in. This is going to open up the option to have Site Manager. So we're going to click on Site Manager. And this opens up all of the files that are in your teacher web page. We're going to go to New Page and click. And at the top, we need to name our page. In this instance, we're going to name it Open House 2020. Scroll down, blank page, click, save, and continue. Again, that was blank page. You'll notice it tells us it's creating our blank page for us. It's got the title of Open House 2020. So that's what people will see in your navigation bar. Now let's go ahead and come to the right-hand pane where we see the apps, and we're going to insert the heading. Click, drag it over to the box that's got the little dotted lines and release. And then you can click on the little pen in the middle so that we can edit it. On this right-hand side, it allows us to type in the text. So any text that you want to be at the top of your page can go here for the heading. We're going to put Welcome to Mr. Summey's Open House. At the bottom, click Save, and you'll notice it populates in this middle pane. Next up, we need to insert the actual video. So again, we're going to come to our apps. We're going to find the app that says Embed Code. You're going to click, drag it to below your heading, Release. And once again, you're going to click the little pen in the middle, and it opens up this right-hand pane. This is where it wants us to put our code from our video. I'm going to assume that you already have the video uploaded to YouTube. So let's go to YouTube. This is the video that we'll be using. We're simply going to scroll down to the share button and click. And our first option says embed, so click on that first circle. This is all the code that we're going to need. We simply go to the bottom, click copy. It highlights it and copies it to our clipboard. Go back to your site manager. On this right-hand pane, we're going to right-click and say paste. At the bottom, click save. And it tells you you've saved your content. Now, if you're questioning what this looks like on your actual website, simply go to this top right-hand side where you see a monitor and a little bitty screen. That's your preview button. If you click it, it opens up a preview of your newly created page. So this is what the page would look like. You can see on this left-hand side, in your navigation listings, we now have Open House 2020. So that's perfect. I'm going to exit out of that. I'm going to exit out of this specific page, and then we're going to go down to the bottom. That's where my new page is listed. Since Open House may be a week or a month away, we don't want it to be active on our website just yet. So you're simply going to click on the word active, and it changes it to inactive. So now if you were to go to your teacher webpage, it would no longer show up in the navigation bar. When the time comes for Open House, simply click on the inactive, change it back to active, and it'll be visible once again. Hopefully you find this tip useful. Let me know if I can help you in any other way. Have an awesome year.